so much.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Dick, this is your opportunity to say what you wish to say. Information or the rest of the No, sit. We all sit.
I would like to stand.
I know. Just for us, can you? Thanks. I appreciate it.
Your Honor, I just want to say I'm sorry to my son. To my wife's family, for all the suffering I've caused. I want to apologize to everybody for all the damage I've done. I don't know what happened that day. It's on the snap. I wish I could take it back, but I can't. I want to thank my attorneys. They've done a perfect job. I want to thank you, Your Honor. You always treat me very respectful. That's all I have.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I understand. Your attorney's going to get you something.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I overlooked something I mentioned.
Okay.
I apologize. We are making a request of restitution under the statute for the funeral bill paid $14,874.10 for restitution.
Anything from the defense, you can make an argument at this point about that.
Judge, certainly within the court's discretion, but I can tell the court that from my review of Mr. Dick's finances, that will be very difficult.
I get it. I understand. I think court's thought a lot about what to do here, the court's going to make a finding that counts 1 and count 2 and 5, 6, and 7. Now let's start with 1 and 2. They are not part of the same act or transaction. They're not a single course of conduct. These are 2 acts with separate animals. Even if they were the court's determining that these 2 offenses, the harm was so great to each of these, Lillian and Pamela, that a single term wouldn't adequately reflect the seriousness of the conduct. The harm was so great. And it's necessary to protect the public and punish the offender. To run these consecutively, and the court's going to do it. Count 1, the court's going to order life in prison with parole eligibility after serving 25 full years of imprisonment and a 3-year gun specification. And count 2, life imprisonment with parole eligibility after 25 years of imprisonment with a 3-year gun specification. Of course, going to run those consecutively with each other. With regard to Mr. Duke's charges, the charges regarding Mr. Duke and his children. Count 5, the court's going to order a 4-year to 6-year indefinite prison sentence, the minimum being 4. Count 6, 4 years to 6 years, the minimum being 4. Count 7, 4 years to 6 years, the minimum being 4. There are 3 gun specifications that merge in that case, and the court is merging those 3 for a single gun specification and merging that gun specification so that there will be 2 gun specifications, the most serious, count 1 and count 2. 5, 6, and 7 are going to be running gun specs concurrently with that. The court, because counts 4, 5, and 6 are indefinite sentences, has to tell you a little bit about indefinite sentences. The presumed release date on counts 5, 6, and 7 are 4 years in prison. You have the possibility of earned prison credit of between 5 and 15%. The authority can retain you in prison beyond the minimum date, 4 years on each minimum case. I'm waiving costs. I'm making the finding with respect to the state that it is not possible for you to pay the funeral expenses. Not that you shouldn't. as a result of these sentences, then you can't. I thought hard, and I want to explain this to you, Mr. Dick, and to everyone here, because I'm the one who's doing this, about a consecutive versus concurrent sentence. I thought hard about it, and I think I made the necessary findings to do so. But that's the legal part. Let me tell you the other. To run this concurrently for Lillian and Pam wouldn't be justice. And consecutive, counts 1 and 2, counts 5, 6, and 7, 4 years to 6 years, concurrently. Gun specifications, 3 years, concurrently. And those concurrently with counts 1 and 2. I think I've done all I can do. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, sir. Come see. I'll come.